Hello, this is Riley Armstrong with my presentation of Two Truths and a Lie. After completing my research on scientific headlines, these are the three I chose to use for my Two Truths and a Lie. Number 1, antibody treatment prevents severe bird flu in monkeys. Number 2, the oldest evidence for lead population comes from ancient Greece. And number 3, atoms are 99% empty space. I'll give you some time to look through these again and see which ones you think are the truths and which one you think is the lie. After completing my research, okay, here are the facts behind number 1. This headline is actually proven by science to be true. Scientific testing has shown the antibodies to work very well. This disease is a very widespread disease. However, this testing has kind of allowed scientists to establish a threshold for antibodies in the blood, which is very useful for judging immune system protection. This test has shown to be very useful to control infection outbreaks from wild birds to mammals, because it is such a large spread. It does not just stick with one species. And then I just thought this picture kind of looked like the monkeys being surprised, so I thought it was cute. Okay, here are the facts behind headline number 2. This headline is also true. Researchers have studied sediment cores from the mainland in Greece, and they have found evidence of lead population dating back from nearly 5,200 years ago. They believe that lead was released by product of smelt core from copper or silver, which later the metal condensed and settled into the soil, and that is how they found the lead. Facts behind number 3. This headline was my lie or my myth, and I chose this because I know I've heard people say it. I'm sure others have. That is just kind of something that I just let people say what they wanted, and I didn't really ever, I guess, put the scientific knowledge behind it. However, scientists have said that in order for an atom to be 99% empty space, electrons would have to be tiny hard balls whizzing around the atoms. But they're not. This is a myth that has resurfaced for hundreds of years, and it is a scientific fact that atoms have no empty space at all. They're full of electrons spread out into orbitals. And if you kind of look in the picture behind the words, that is an atom, and it shows how it's spread out. And I just used my last slide as references, so thanks for watching.